Welcome to this video. This is Clarissa Tech. This video is all about a very detailed tutorial on WordPress development, that is the A to Z of WordPress development, and I'll be splitting this tutorial in different series because I want it to be very detailed that anyone can comprehend from beginner to pro level. Right, so this first part will be about introduction to WordPress development, and what we'll be looking at is what is WordPress, why use WordPress. We'll check the difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org, setting up WordPress site, that is domain hosting. Okay, what is WordPress? WordPress is an open source content management system, which is CMS, that is written in PHP and paired with the structured query language, which is MySQL database to create and manage content on a website. So in simpler terms, WordPress is a free CMS tool used to create websites and publish on the internet. So even though WordPress is a no code required platform for developing website, yet WordPress is written in PHP. Whatever you are doing while you are trying to build that site or while you are building that site is being translated to the original language WordPress uses, which is PHP. That is why after developing a site, you can actually see the code of the entire work you have done. So the code can be exported elsewhere. Are you getting it? The code can be exported elsewhere. You can view the code. Right. So what is content management system? We see WordPress is an open source content management system. What is content management system? Content management system, CMS, is a content management tool that helps people create, manage, and modify content on a website without the need for specialized technical knowledge. Now, there are different examples of CMS. We have WordPress, we have Squarespace, we have Blogger, we have Wix, we have Shopify, BigCommerce. Now, the content management system we are focusing on is WordPress for website development. Why WordPress? Why WordPress? So WordPress was founded in 2003, and at the time I made this write-up, WordPress powers over 40% of websites in the world, which means almost any website you visit is probably created with WordPress. Now, I believe that figure would be far more than what I have here by now, right? So WordPress is one of the most popular website builders in the market. And the reason is that it is free and no code required. That doesn't mean that you should not learn how to code. If you learn how to code, is a plus for you, right? It's a plus for you, but it's not compulsory with WordPress. Are you getting that? So now, which kind of website can you build with WordPress? If you're asking that question, which kind of website can you build with WordPress? You can actually build different kind of website, virtually any type of website. We have blog, you can build a blog website, business website, online store is e-commerce, social network, membership website, school website, portfolio website, real estate website, agency website. Name them. Construct different kinds of website you can build using WordPress, right? So that is that. Now we have WordPress.com and we have WordPress.org. What is their difference? WordPress.com is a paid service. WordPress.org is an open source platform. WordPress.com is a paid service. That is like we'll still go there. WordPress.com is a paid service, just like we have Namecheap and other hosting provider where you can go, you get hosting package, you purchase domain name, you do all kind of some web design services like that. That is what WordPress.com does, and it also offers a free version anyway. But the free version, it has lot of limitations, right? It has lot of limitation, and any website you are creating with website.com is hosted on WordPress hosting server, right? And I will not recommend you to create website with WordPress and host it on WordPress server. There are limitations there. Are you getting it? There are limitations there. It will not allow you to do some. It will not allow you to know to do some additional advanced functionalities and customization. So that is why WordPress.org is there for you. And WordPress.org is an open source platform, like I said, which is commonly called self-hosted WordPress. That is, the WordPress itself, that opens the platform itself, it has been designed already. All you need to do is to go to wordpress.org, download WordPress, right? Download it and then install it on any hosting server of your choice and start to work with it absolutely free. So that is the difference. So let's just see about them. Let's so this is wordpress.com. This is wordpress.com. If you can see, for wordpress.com, you're having login, get started. You have to create an account with them in order to start developing your website. Then you have to subscribe to a plan, to an hosting plan. You can see, you can pay yearly, you can select any option, pay monthly, starter plan, free domain for 1 year, and all that. So it will be hosted on WordPress server. These are their plans, right? So this is for wordpress.com. You create, you start developing your site, everything will be on WordPress server. But if you want something that you have free access to, no limitation, no drawback, then you go for wordpress.org. You can see here there's nothing like creating an account or whatever. All you have to do is to click on get WordPress. Get WordPress. So once you click on get WordPress, and you will see this option here, download WordPress. So you can actually download the WordPress. You can see the installation guide here. You can download WordPress. Once you download WordPress, you go to your hosting server, you upload it there, extract it. You can see the guide from here, extract it, install it, and then you start designing or developing your website. So however, for if you are purchasing hosting for live host, there's no need for you to download this, because most hosting providers have WordPress on their platform already. You just have to, it's just a one-click install, and it will be installed automatically for you, and everything will be done. But if you want to use if you want to upload it manually, you can still download it from here, then upload it manually on your hosting server. And also, if you are using a local host, right, you can actually download WordPress and install it on your local host. This is what wordpress.org is for. Everything is absolutely free, right? Absolutely free. So now for WordPress, like I said, let's go down a bit. For WordPress generally, now you can see that these are example of website that are created with WordPress. Top brand, Salesforce, Al Jazeera, many of them Now, there are a lot of other websites that are created with WordPress. Some years ago, I checked on some website that were actually created with WordPress, but after a while, after some years, I think late last year, I checked and I discovered that from the there is a software or there's a platform where you can actually do that. I will show us that in subsequent videos, right? There's a platform where you can actually check if a web if a website is created using WordPress. So when I checked, it shows that they are created with WordPress. But late last year when I checked again, that platform is showing me that those websites are not created with WordPress. But the interface, the design and everything is still the same. What happened? Some people actually come, all these code guys, they don't want to stress themselves anyway. They just create a website using WordPress, and after creating, they convert it to a static HTML site. You can Google search to know what that is as an assignment. So they will convert it to a static HTML site just like any other site created with coding, right? So it will become a static. By then they will host it on their server. It will no longer display that that site was created using WordPress. So now there are a lot of websites that is created with WordPress. You can Google search to find them out. Even the popular White House, US White House, where their website, official website, is created using WordPress. Are you getting it? So that is that on that. Over to the next. Okay, we have seen the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So now getting started with WordPress. Normally, to get started with WordPress, you have to purchase a domain name. Are you getting it? You have to purchase a domain name and purchase hosting. Domain name now is like your address on the internet. URL, your uniform resource locator. Your domain name is like your unique identity on the internet, right? Just like your home address, Now your hosting is like, okay, you have a home. For you to get your chair, your freezer, your TV, and all those things you have in your home, it is your what? That building, your house, that block, that building is that is what house your properties. Are you getting it? That is what houses your properties. Now, if you have a domain name, it doesn't stop there. You need to purchase an hosting. That is where all those your other information will be stored. That is what hosting is. I get that is what hosting is. For instance, look at these guys. These guys now, WordPress.org. All this information you are seeing here, these are their properties. And for it to be displayed on the internet, for you to see, it need to be housed somewhere, which is their hosting account. So they need to purchase hosting where all this information will be housed. So when it is housed there, then it will now be displayed to the world. That is why you and I can actually see it from our end. So that is what domain and hosting is. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, instead of purchasing domain and hosting, we are not. If you have domain and hosting, right, that is live server. But if you don't have domain and hosting to work on live server that anybody around the world can access, it's just you and your on your computer. That is local server. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be setting up WordPress not on live server but on local server. And the local machine we are going to be talking about is local WP This is local server. Number one is local WP and XAMPP. Local WP and XAMPP. So let's go over. For local WP, just go to localwp.com. Localwp.com. So this is the platform. What you have to do is to click on download. Then you choose the platform you are using. Is this Mac operating system you are using or Windows? So if it's Windows, you select Windows. You can fill up this information and then click on get it now, and the installer file will be downloaded for you. Once it is absolutely free, once it's downloaded, you run the file for it to be installed. So it will be installed for you. So once it is installed, I have it already. This is it. Once it's installed, you just open it up. The interface will look like this. Close this. Now over to the next, XAMPP. For XAMPP, also very easy. Let's come to this page. I'll provide this link for us. So for XAMPP, you just need to download and install XAMPP also. Now you go to this link. There's link embedded in this from Apache Frame. Just right click, open a new tab. You can close this. We are done with this. Okay, let's see that WordPress dot. I will use that to do a little illustration. Okay, so now all you have to do is to check on the version the OS you are using. So if you are using anyone you are using, just click on it. If you are using Windows, just click on it. Right, click on it and the file will start downloading. So once the file is downloaded to your computer, all you have to do is to run that installer file. So once you run the installer file, you have this interface. Once you run, you can see if you select Windows for instance, the file will be downloaded. Launch the installer file. After launching the installer file, it may bring up this issue for you if you are having issues with your antivirus. Otherwise, to show this issue, even though it bring this out for you, just click on yes to continue installation. Here, next. Make sure that MySQL and PHP is selected. Apache is selected by default. So those are the important things. So if you see this checked, just leave it like that and continue. If they are not checked, check them and continue. Where do you want it to be installed? Next, 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 and it will be installed. So once it's installed, you can launch it. Finish to launch. So once you launch, now your localhost machine XAMPP is installed successfully. Now what you need to do is to get your site, your WordPress installed on it.